স্পোকেন ইংলিশ তোমরা সবাই মন দিয়ে শোনো, লেখো, সবাই কিন্তু লাইক অ্যান্ড সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও। হাউ আর ইউ? হাউ আর ইউ? আই অ্যাম নাইস। How are you feeling today? I am feeling great today. Are you working tomorrow? Yes, I have working tomorrow. What time did you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. How was your lunch? My lunch was delicious. Are you free this weekend? Yes, I am free this weekend. Did you finish your work? Yes, I finished my work. Study English. Clean the dirty room. Cut the apples. Look at the star. Go to the bookstore. Draw a star on the paper. Talk to the teacher. Clean the room. Go down the ladder. Jump over the mat. Put 5 coins in the jar. Sleep on the bed. Talk to the police. Look at the picture. Sit on the chair. Listen to the music. Go to the tree. Don't spit on the street. Don't talk in the library. Don't watch TV. Don't spit on the street. Don't sleep in the classroom. Don't run. Don't cross the street. Don't sit on the old chair. Don't draw a picture on the wall. Sit on the new chair. Don't touch the hot pan. Don't put the sauce on the table. Don't talk. Watch out. Come early. Don't move. Don't be shy. This is a dirty shirt. Wash the shirt. Dry the shirt. Wear the shirt. Very cold. Close the window. Very hot. Open the window. Very dirty. Clean the window. Read the letter. Throw the ball. Wash the dirty socks. Please. Clean the table. Eat the sandwich. Drink the water. Put the toy in the box. Take the toy. Don't go to the hot oven. Don't read the book in a dark room. Don't cut the pink paper. Don't push the door. Don't sleep on the floor. Hold the pencil. Be careful. Be brave. Be still. Be quiet. Don't be late. Don't talk. Watch out. Come early. Don't move. Don't be shy. Be afraid. Be giddy. Be silent. Keep quiet. Calm down. Get up ready. Don't quarrel. Bring my umbrella. Give me eraser. Give me sharpener. তাহলে এখানেই শেষ করছি। তোমরা সবাই কিন্তু সাবস্ক্রাইবটা কিন্তু দিয়ে দিও।